Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best cocktail gifts is probably one of the most delightful and sophisticated ways to celebrate a special woman in your life, offering a perfect blend of elegance and enjoyment that transforms any occasion into a memorable event. Whether she's a seasoned mixologist or just starting her journey into the world of craft cocktails, these curated selections promise to elevate her home bar experience and inspire endless creative concoctions. Number 5. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy. Transform your daily routine into a luxurious escape. These aromatherapy shower steamers bring the spa experience right to your home. Proudly made in the USA, they are formulated with only natural ingredients. You can trust the quality and purity of every single steamer. Infused with pure eucalyptus essential oil, they create a refreshing and invigorating aroma. Breathe deeply and let the soothing vapors clear your mind. Unlike smaller alternatives, these are large shower bombs, ensuring a longer-lasting and more potent aromatherapy session. Enjoy an extended moment of tranquility. Looking for the ideal present? They make wonderful relaxation spa gifts, suitable for both women and men who deserve a moment of peace. More than just a gift, they offer a unique way to practice self-care. Treat yourself or a loved one to this simple yet profound indulgence. What we like? These offer a luxurious, aromatic escape right in your shower. Made with natural ingredients and eucalyptus, they provide a soothing spa experience. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to unwind and de-stress, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive product details found in the provided reviews. No positive product details found in the provided reviews. Number 4. The Cocktail Box Company. Old-fashioned cocktail kit. Introducing the perfect companion for your next journey. This compact kit allows you to enjoy a classic old-fashioned, no matter where you are. Designed with the modern traveler in mind, it fits easily into your carry-on. Enjoy premium cocktails even at 30,000 feet. Inside, you'll find everything needed to create a delicious drink. It includes high-quality bitters, crucial for that authentic taste. Also included are convenient old-fashioned cubes, making preparation incredibly simple. Just add your favorite spirit and stir. This kit is more than just a product, it's an experience. It's ideal for gifting to a travel enthusiast or treating yourself to a sophisticated drink on the go. What we like? This compact kit lets you craft a classic old-fashioned anywhere. It includes all the essentials, perfect for on-the-go cocktail enthusiasts. If you love classic cocktails and frequently travel, this portable solution is ideal for you. What people say. Number 3. Thoughtfully Cocktails Global Mixer Set. Introducing the Thoughtfully Cocktails Global Mixer Set. This collection is designed to bring the world's best cocktails right to your home. It's a comprehensive mixer set, perfect for aspiring mixologists and seasoned enthusiasts alike. You can easily create delicious drinks with these premium ingredients. Concerned about dietary restrictions? Good news! These mixers are completely vegan and vegetarian friendly, ensuring everyone can enjoy a delightful beverage. From the zesty tang of a margarita to the spicy kick of a Moscow Mule, this set offers a wide array of exciting flavors. Discover your new favorite or revisit a classic. Each set contains 12 unique mixers, providing plenty of options for your next gathering or a quiet evening in. You'll have a different taste adventure every time. Please note, these mixers contain no alcohol, allowing you to customize your drinks exactly as you like. They are perfect for crafting both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. What we like? This set provides a delightful array of global cocktail mixers, perfect for any gathering. It's also vegan and vegetarian friendly, ensuring everyone can enjoy. If you are hosting a party and want to offer diverse, non-alcoholic options, this collection is a fantastic pick. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific product features or facts could be extracted as requested. Number 2. Drinking for 2 Nutritious Mocktails. Expecting a baby is a special journey, and making healthy choices is key. This collection offers delicious and nutritious options designed just for you. Each mocktail is crafted with ingredients rich in vitamins and minerals vital for both you and your baby. They support your well-being throughout pregnancy. Who says healthy can't be tasty? These beverages are bursting with delightful flavors, ensuring every sip is a refreshing treat. Enjoy peace of mind knowing these drinks are completely alcohol-free. They provide a safe and enjoyable way to hydrate and indulge. From morning sickness relief to boosting energy, these mocktails are more than just drinks. They are a thoughtful companion for your entire pregnancy. Embrace this beautiful chapter with beverages that nourish and delight. They help you celebrate every moment of your journey. What we like. This book offers creative and nutritious mocktail recipes specifically designed for expectant mothers. It provides delicious, alcohol-free options that are safe and enjoyable. If you are a mom-to-be or know someone who is, this thoughtful gift supports healthy indulgence. What people say. Number 1. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Discover the joy of creating personalized drinks right at home. This kit allows you to infuse any alcohol base with high-quality, natural ingredients. It's perfect for anyone eager to experiment with their own unique flavors. Inside, you'll find 12 diverse infusion materials, offering endless possibilities for customization. Whether you prefer a single ingredient or complex blends, it provides basic pairing suggestions to get you started. Showcase your mixology skills and delight your loved ones with homemade infused spirits and cocktails. It's a fantastic way to elevate your entertaining and leave a lasting impression. Go beyond store-bought options and explore a world of new tastes and combinations. With this, you can create truly distinctive beverages that are impossible to find elsewhere. Presented in an elegant package, it makes a thoughtful present for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special event. Its durable, dishwasher-safe components ensure lasting enjoyment for the recipient. What we like. This kit empowers you to craft unique, custom-flavored spirits at home using natural ingredients. It offers endless possibilities for creating personalized drinks. If you enjoy experimenting with mixology and want to impress with homemade infusions, this is the perfect gift. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.